Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a portable oxygen resuscitator. First, let's get familiar with the equipment. You'll need to identify all the components in your kit, including the oxygen cylinder, regulator, and mask. Always check the pressure gauge to ensure you have sufficient oxygen, ideally above 500 psi. Then, securely connect the tubing to the resuscitator bag and mask, making sure all connections are tight. Next, assess the patient's condition, noting their breathing and responsiveness. Choose the appropriate mask size to ensure a tight, effective seal around their face. Gently but firmly place the mask over the patient's nose and mouth. Maintain a good seal with both hands if possible. As you begin, watch for visible chest rise and fall, indicating air is entering the lungs effectively. Now, let's focus on delivering ventilations. Squeeze the resuscitator bag slowly and steadily over approximately 1 second, just enough to see the chest rise. For adults, aim for 1 breath every 5 to 6 seconds. When assisting children, increase the frequency to 1 breath every 3 to 5 seconds. Continuously monitor the patient's response and look for improvements in their condition. After initial resuscitation, continue to closely monitor the patient's breathing and vital signs until professional medical assistance arrives. Once the emergency is over, remember to replace any depleted oxygen cylinders, typically when the gauge reads below 200 psi. Thoroughly clean and disinfect all reusable parts of the resuscitator. Finally, store the entire kit in a clean, dry, and easily accessible place for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.